Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech-ons. So today I tried to install the WhatsApp app via Windows 10 Microsoft Store, but unfortunately it shows the one error message. Try again later, something happened on our end. So how to get rid of this Microsoft Store apps not downloading problem? And here I show the 3 methods to overcome this issue. So before going to our tutorial, first of all check it. What is the problem with your Microsoft Store? So by simply open your settings menu and go to update and security. So here you can select troubleshoot and click on this additional troubleshooters and slightly scroll down and tap this Windows Store apps. So now I try to run this troubleshooter, but unfortunately it doesn't find any issues, so no problem. So just close all the windows. So now you can follow I mentioned 3 steps to fix this issue, and the first method is just search WS reset. So if you run this command, your Microsoft Store is automatically resetted. So after you done these processes and one time relaunch your Microsoft Store, and this is method 1. And the second method is just open your Windows Run and execute this command services.msc. So here you can locate the service name called Microsoft Store Install Service and simply double click on it and stop the service, and also change the startup type to manual and click to start the service. And finally don't forget to save these changes, and this is method 2. And the final method is just open your command prompt, but I try to run this command prompt as administrator mode. So once you open it and then execute the following command, and this command may take up to more time, so be patient. So if you follow the I mentioned steps in future, it doesn't show that kind of error message. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech-ons, and thanks for watching.